Nandito po tayo ngayon sa room 304 at nandito po sa aking kiliran ay ang batang nagangalang
Alvin Dizon.
At ngayon po ay kakanta siya ng
Love story.
interview sa magkano edad mo? Ano? 11. Saan ka na kanina? What is your motto in life? Motto in life?
Doctor.
Okay, ang kanyang motto in life ay doctor. Ano pangarap mo sa buhay? Pangarap niya pong maging singer. Kaya ngayon, bigyan mo kami ng sampol! 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 Go!
We were both young when never saw you. I'm close my eyes and the flashback starting standing there. Never to me summer girl. See the lights, see the parties, boga. When you wake, you roll back and say hello.
Say hello!
Little did I know. Oh, oh, just we were Romeo, we were starting to pebble, swimming in the say Juliet. I said, Romeo, take something, be alone. I've been waiting, all just what I should have shot. You didn't end up, I'm not gonna take it.
Love story, baby, just say yes.
Babay na.
See you! See you!
Somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, or just for the Jewish look. You be my